This is in Sturgis, Michigan. This is the Masonic Temple building. And look what we have in here. I was just stopping in this town to get lunch and some green stuff. And I found this. Quite a surprise. Also, that door slams. Wow. Oh, it's got the big squishy bumper. I love that. Very simple elevator, but it's cool and it's vintage. Definitely one of the more lower end models from the time. Pretty sure this is single speed. 3 is locked. Yep, single speed. Here's the building. Very vintage in here. Oh, here's a map. We'll take one more ride. See out that? No, you can't. Come on, focus. Here is Otis plate. Here's this is the inspection certificate and the Michigan plaque thing that they have on all the elevators in the state. And we will go back down to 1. Set it up. We'll watch the roto dial. Neat stuff. Anyway, that's it.